Ladies and gentlemen, we will be shortly starting our program. हम जल्द ही
the version of yourself you want to become, the one who fights through the hard days, and the one who carries dreams instead of regrets.
We have our guest of honor, Lee Bagra sir, DC Tirao with us. Ladies and gentlemen, please make way for our chief guest.
Welcome, sir.
The arrival of our chief guest, Shri P.N. Tungam sir, IAS Secretary RWD, Government of Arunachal Pradesh. Along with our chief guest, we also have guest P.H. Roy. We have Lobsang Sering sir, Education Secretary. Let's all welcome हमारी चीफ गेस्ट और गेस्ट के लिए जोरदार ताली हो जाइए.
Good evening, sir. How are you?
जोरदार से वेलकम करेंगे. कहते हैं कि कुछ शुभ काम के पहले एक ब्लेसिंग होनी चाहिए. तो मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी हमारे चीफ गेस्ट से कि वो जो चालू रोको फेस्टिवल है उसको ब्लेसिंग के तौर पे वो अपने तरफ से डिक्लेरेशन करें.
Good evening, everyone. So it's my honor and pleasure to declare our very important 57th Central Lokte Chalo Loku 2025 open. Thank you so much. All the best.
Nang ti nang vi he me kela va chalo pe nang nyong nang va he me kela va lo ku pe rang pa ko ja Thank you.
Welcome to the second edition of Miss Nokte 2025 Grand Finale. One pageant which has truly shaped the daughters of the district to be bold, to be confident, and to be the voices of the society. I am Foja Mabo.
And I am Munyan Mate.
And we have the pleasure of being your host tonight. So ladies and gentlemen, tonight we have a host of eminent dignitaries with us. We are truly honored to have our beloved P.N. Thongkhun Sir, IS Secretary, RWD, Government of Arunachal Pradesh, who was also our former DC Tirap, as our chief guest. We are also joined by Lee Bagra Sir, DC Tirap, as our guest of honor. So can we have a big round of applause for them for joining us tonight? So moving on, to formally welcome all of you, we have a gentleman, and it is my privilege to introduce him to the gathering. So to welcome all of you with his official welcome address, I would like to call the Vice President of 57th Central Nokte Chalo Loku Festival, Shri Jaywang Sumyan.
Novatanghi, Naganang Sansong Sen, and very happy Chalo Loku to each one of you. Respected Chief Guest, Guest of Honor, Chief Patron and Patron of 57 Central Nokte Chalo Loku 2025, आदरणीय सम्मानित अतिथिगण, बुजुर्गों और यहाँ मौजूद सभी सम्मानित दर्शकों, आप सभी को मेरा सादर नमस्कार। आज मिस नोक्ते सेकेंड एडिशन के ग्रैंड फिनाले के अवसर पर आप सभी को तहे दिल से स्वागत करना मेरे लिए गर्व और सम्मान की बात है। मैं हमारे माननीय मुख्य अतिथि थोंगखुन सर, जो हमारे पूर्व डीसी रह चुके हैं, सभी के चहेते थोंगखुन सर को विशेष स्वागत करना चाहूँगा। सर, we welcome you, we warmly welcome you to this great evening. साथ ही में हमारे गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर, डेप्यूटी कमिश्नर ऑफ तिराप डिस्ट्रिक्ट बागरा सर जी को हार्दिक स्वागत करना चाहूँगा, जिनकी उपस्थिति हमारे लिए प्रेरणादायक है। मैं हमारे रिस्पेक्टेड जूरी मेंबर्स को अभिनंदन प्रकट करना चाहूँगा, जिनके सामने आज इतने डिजर्विंग कंटेस्टेंट्स और उन सारे कंटेस्टेंट में से किसी एक को मिस नोक्ते चुनने का एक चुनौती उनके पास है। तो मैं पूरा भरोसा हूँ, मुझे पूरा भरोसा है और हम सब पूरे विश्वास कर सकते हैं कि ये ये जो हमारे आज के जो कंटेस्टेंट हैं, उनकी एक्सपर्टाइज के द्वारा सबसे डिजर्विंग, सबसे प्रतिभाशाली को ही आज मिस नोक्ते चुनेंगे। ये जो उत्सव है केवल ब्यूटी पेजेंट का नहीं, बल्कि यहाँ हमारे नोक्ते कम्युनिटी का संस्कृति, उसके बाद जो कल्चर ट्रेडिशंस है, वो हमेशा झलकता है इस ब्यूटी पेजेंट के द्वारा। और मुझे पूरा भरोसा है हमारे आज के जो पार्टिसिपेंट्स हैं, कंटेस्टेंट्स हैं, वो इस मन से आगे जाकर हमारे नोक्ते कम्युनिटी के, हमारे इस समाज के नाम को आगे बढ़ाएंगे। इन शब्दों के साथ मैं एक बार फिर से आप सभी को इस सेकेंड एडिशन मिस नोक्ते ग्रैंड फिनाले के अवसर पर सभी को स्वागत करता हूँ। थैंक यू सो मच।
Thank you, sir, for your gracious welcome and for representing the spirit of Chalo Loku with such warmth. Ladies and gentlemen, it is now time for a very special moment. Tonight, we are honored to have with us our chief guest, IAS Secretary, RWD, Government of Arunachal Pradesh, Shri P.N. Thongkhun Sir. Sir, we kindly request you to please come forward for the felicitation. And may I invite the President of 57th Central Chalo Loku to do the honors, please.
ऑडियंस जोरदार तालियां हो जाए प्लीज।
Thank you, sir, for blessing this celebration with your presence. We are equally delighted to welcome our guest of honor, Deputy Commissioner of Tirap District, Shri Lee Bagra sir. Please call upon the stage the Secretary of Chalo Loku Committee. Thank you, sir, for gracing this festival with your presence. It is our privilege to have you here tonight. Next, मैं stage पे बुलाना चाहूँगी ATDH of Rowing Loto Lingi sir. Sir, please stage पे आ जाइए.
एजुकेशन सेक्रेटरी आपसू को भी निमंत्रित करना चाहूँगी मंच पर। वो भी हमारे चीफ गेस्ट सर PN तुंगन सर के साथ आए हुए हैं, तो प्लीज सर स्टेज पे आ जाइए।
Ibom Riso sir, Joint Secretary of APSU, वो भी DC सर के साथ ही आए हैं हमारे। प्लीज कम अप ऑन द स्टेज सर।
हमारे साथ हमारे तिरप DC सर के वाइफ बागरा मैडम भी है, तो मैं उनको भी रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी कि वो प्लीज स्टेज पे आए और हमारी कमेटी मेंबर्स प्लीज उनको भी फेलिसिटेट करें। मैम प्लीज स्टेज पे आ जाइए। जोरदार तालियां हो जाए सबके लिए जो हमारे ये हमारे बागरा मैम है, हमारे DC तिरप सर के वाइफ, तो प्लीज उनको भी जोरदार तालियों के साथ वेलकम करिए।
Tonight's decisions are in the hands of individuals whose wisdom, experience and integrity guide this event. Please join us in welcoming our esteemed judges who not only recognize talent but also nurture it. Please welcome our first judge, Ms. Adam Wangsu. She is also the second runner-up of Miss Arunachal 2024.
Come on, let's welcome our beauty queen with a big round of applause. Committee members to please come on the stage and felicitate our judge, first judge. She is Miss Adam Wangsu. Second runner-up, Miss Arunachal 2024.
Round of applause for our reigning Miss TCL.
And then our third judge is our very own Miss Charo Lova, reigning Miss TCL second runner-up 2025. Miss Charo Lova. And then we have one more judge. He is not from the beauty industry, but he is definitely someone to look up to. He is Shri Raju Tamanghe Singh. He is currently serving as District Mission Manager of Tirap, Changlang and Longding District under Arunachal Pradesh State Rural Livelihood Mission. Apart from his profession, he is also a poet and a writer, and he has also published an anthology named A Classic Sillote and the Yak Herders. Let's welcome all our judges with a big round of applause. Come on, ladies and gentlemen, that's our very own Miss Charo Lova. And now a big round of applause for Shri Raju Tamanghe Singh sir. All our judges have been tasked with a very difficult job of selecting our winners tonight. So they have a very difficult job to do. Let's give them a big round of applause for their motivation.
Sponsors, ladies and gentlemen, जोरदार तालियां हो जाए हमारे incredible sponsors के लिए. I'd like to invite Sanjay Agarwal sir, Vijay Agarwal sir, Rahul Samyal sir, Gansham Agarwal sir, Ashok Chaudhary sir, and Rohit More sir. Please come up on the stage.
And we request Mr. Jeevan Sumyan, Vice President of Chalo Loku Committee, to please felicitate our sponsors. कुछ रीजंस के वजह से वो अगर नहीं आ पाए तो उनकी जो एप्रिसिएशन, टोकन ऑफ एप्रिसिएशन है, उनको बाद में दिया जाएगा.
Very meaningful to share. We are now going to play a very short video where our 13 beautiful contestants stand united against drug abuse. So let's hear their message.
We all grow up trying to understand the world and trying even harder to understand ourselves.
Every experience shapes us, the love we receive, the pressure we feel, the fears we hide, and the hopes we cling to.
Some days, life feels light. Other days, it feels like the whole weight of the world is sitting in our chest.
When pain becomes too loud, the mind starts looking for shortcuts and something that feels like a relief. And that's how many people take their first step toward things that only numb, never heals. Drugs don't start by destroying your life, they start by offering silence to your pain.
They trick you into thinking you're in control, but in reality, you slowly lose control of everything.
You lose your focus, your confidence, your dreams, but sometimes even the parts of yourself you once loved.
But here's the truth. Pain doesn't mean you are weak. Confusion doesn't mean you are lost.
Wanting an escape does not always make you a bad person. It simply means you are a human.
Being human also means you have the power to choose different. You can choose the version of yourself you want to become. The one who fights through the hard days and the one who carries dreams instead of regrets. So let this be a reminder. Your mind, your voice, your future deserve hope, not harm. Deserve dreams, not drugs.
Chase dreams, not drugs. क्यों ना हम हमारे कंटेस्टेंट स्टेज पे उनको बुलाने से पहले हम ये स्टेज की एनर्जी और थोड़ा सा बढ़ा दें.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. तो आइए हम इस शाम की फर्स्ट परफॉर्मर को बुलाते हैं. With a big round of applause, let's welcome Chapang Sumyan and group for a beautiful dance performance.
Kaken regum si ite ham kaju monu hirmunyate juju si doi ado kusilo si ui amalaju doi ui amalaju si ui amalaju doi ui amalaju.
When you feel like listening to Glenn something, you have a great taste in music, and this one goes something like this. You ready? Mendapamido, ayang sirungo, dipamido. No me pa mamila mo ke apu si duge, no me pa mamila mo ke ang si buge.
Esar bobi loli ne mo ke nilnambe, sikura mo ke.
Thank you so much, Abhang Sumyan and group, for such a cute performance. So, ladies and gentlemen, finally समय आ गया है जहां हम हमारे 13 contestants से मिलेंगे. क्या आप ready हैं? और थोड़ा जोर से. So, without any further ado, let's kickstart the event with our first round, where our contestants will be seen proudly representing their rich culture in traditional attire. इस राउंड में contestants आएंगे और अपना इंट्रोडक्शन देंगे.
Mahafale Shukadachana, which means you have the right to perform your duty, but never to the fruits of your actions. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, respected chief guest, guest of honor, all the judges and beautiful people of Khonsa present over here. My name is Yamke Nampu, your contestant number 1, a proud daughter of Olo community and a sub-tribe of mighty Nokte. Tonight I am wearing a very beautiful fusion attire of Olo community and representing my beautiful village Longliang, a land of warriors and perfect creation of nature. And currently I am pursuing BA integrated course in Daning College, majoring in Hindi. Thank you. Wishing you all a very happy Chalo Loku. I learn and I rise. That's who I am. A very warm evening to each and everyone, respected chief guests, guests of honor, judges, and of course all the energetic audience present here. My name is Nyamnyang Ngongpa, your contestant number 2, and I am proudly representing a rich culture and heritage of Olo community of Nokte tribe from Laju village. And I have graduated my Bachelor of Science in Zoology from Indira Gandhi Government College, Teju. Currently, I am a teacher by profession. Tonight, I stand here in my traditional attire, a symbol of identity, dignity, and the stories woven through generations. My culture teaches me that beauty is not just in what we wear, but it is in how we carry our values with grace and pride. हमारा संस्कृति ही हमारा पहचान है, which means our culture is our identity. Thank you. Have a great evening. Confidence is not about being perfect. It's about embracing your flaws beautifully. Good evening, Khonsa. Respected chief guests, guests of honor, judges, and all the lovely people of Khonsa. My name is Chatia Magi, your contestant number 3, proudly representing my beautiful hilltop village, Moktua. And currently, I'm pursuing my bachelor's in English from Wangcha Rajkumar College, Diomali. And in future, I aspire not only to be a successful person, but also a pride to my community. And tonight, I'm wearing my beautiful fusion traditional attire of Nokte tribe, which reminds me of my origin and keeps me connected to my roots. And as we celebrate Chalo Loku today, I would like to wish you all a very happy Chalo Loku. And I hope you enjoy this evening. Thank you.
A proud daughter of my land, walking with purpose. This is the belief that guides me, that no matter where I stand, I carry with me the strength of my culture, my people, and my upbringing. Wishing you all a happy Chalo Loku 2025. Good evening, everyone. Respected chief guests, guests of honor, judges, and my beautiful people of Khonsa. I'm Lamsan Mongwang, contestant number 4, proudly representing my beautiful village, Borduria. Tonight, I stand before you adored in my beautiful, elegant, Nokte traditional attire reflecting our rich culture, identity, and timeless heritage. Thank you. But kindness captures the heart. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Mostly respected, our honorable chief guests, guests of honor, judges, jury member, and all the lovely audience present here. I am Chamiet Lowang, your contestant number 5, proudly representing my beautiful village, Kapu. I have completed my bachelor's degree from Indira Gandhi Government College, Tezu, and I aspire to be a librarian, a garden of knowledge and inspiration. But before that, I want to be a person with good heart, someone who values compassion as much as intelligence. Thank you and have a great evening ahead.
Hello, Khonsa. Good evening, everyone. Respected chief guests, guests of honor, judges, and everyone present here. I am contestant number 6, and my name is Chatwa Kamhwa. With pride in my heart and love for my roots, standing here representing the vibrant village of Dadam.
Hello, Jancho.
I hold a master's degree in economics, and currently I am pursuing B.Ed degree. I believe a strong woman is the person who builds others while building herself. With that, wishing you all a happy Chalo Loku and a delightful evening. Thank you.
Crowned with heritage, shining with purpose, I am the reflection of my roots and the vision of my destiny. My past give me strength, my purpose give me light, and together they define my journey. Hello and a very good evening to everyone, respected chief guests, guests of honor, judges, and all the lovely people of Khonsa. I am your contestant number 7, Miss Nyano Khete, proudly representing my beautiful village, Old Paniduria. Currently, I'm studying in PM Shri Government Higher Secondary School, Khonsa, and my goal in life is to be a successful woman who believes in hard work, self-belief, and making dreams come true. Thank you and have a great evening.
Grace is my language, confidence my crown. A very good evening, Khonsa! Respected chief guest, guest of honor, esteemed judges, distinguished dignitaries, and all the lovely people present here. I am Socha Songting, contestant number 8, proudly representing my beautiful village, Chumdang! I'm currently pursuing my bachelor's in zoology in Indira Gandhi Government College, Teju. I stand here today as a daughter of the Nokte Hills, rooted in my heritage, shaped by resilience, and ready to honor my community with pride. Tonight, I am adorned in the traditional attire of the Nokte women, a graceful tapestry of our colors, our craftsmanship, and the timeless beauty carried by the daughters of our tribe. Let the beauty of our traditions shine. Wishing you all a happy Chalo Loku. Thank you.
Hello.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Respected our honorable chief guests, guests of honor, judges, jury members, and everyone present here. My name is Miss Puajing Wangsa, and I am your contestant number 9, proudly representing my beautiful village, Moktua. I am currently pursuing my bachelor's in education from Indira Gandhi Government College, Teju. And tonight, I stand as a woman who believes in grace, growth, and gratitude. Thank you. One and all, respected chief guests, guests of honor, judges, and all the beautiful people of Khonsa. I am Miss Chajalo Wang, your contestant number 10, proudly representing Moktua village. Gracefully nestled in the lush green mountains of Patkai Hills, currently pursuing my master's in political science at Rajiv Gandhi University, Doimuk. I believe in the power of knowledge, compassion, and culture to shape a better tomorrow. Rooted in tradition, yet driven by ambition, I stand before you as a proud daughter of Tirap district, embracing elegance, purpose, and pride. Thank you. Today I stand here not only for the crown, but to inspire the youth as well. Also, I would like to thank the organizer for giving us such a wonderful platform where we can grow, learn, and conquer. Thank you. Solution comes from clarity, not from drugs. Hello, Khonsa. Wishing you all a very warm and pleasant good evening and a joyful, happy Chalo Loko. Most respected chief guest, guest of honor, judges, and all the audience present here. I am Miss Charan Hakun, your contestant number 12, proudly representing my mesmerizing and peaceful village, Rajanagar. Currently, I am pursuing my master's in English through distance. I love writing poetries and I am very much aspired to become a professor one day.
you.
Good evening, Khonsa. Happy Chalo Loku to everyone. Tonight I'm standing here with a heart full of dreams and a smile that never fades. I am here to inspire others to chase their own lights. My name is Yamcha Sumnyan and I am your contestant number 13, representing my beautiful village, Huakan. And currently I am pursuing my cabin crew diploma in My Flash Institute, Guwahati, Assam. And I believe that with hard work, dedication and commitment, I will be able to fulfill my ambition in an aviation industry. Because confidence is a passport to success, and tonight I am ready to fly high. Thank you.
Thank you so much, girls. आप सबको कैसा लगा हमारे 13 contestants? तो और थोड़ा सा सब्र करिए, और भी rounds आएंगे next, ठीक है? And it gives me immense pleasure to see our younger generations, the Gen Zs, so confident and so talented. So अभी के लिए I would like to request our guest of honor, Bagra sir, DC Tirap, to please address the gathering and share a few words of motivation for our contestants. Sir, can we please have you on stage, please?